In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in X, Twitter. First, let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to the website. Type in the address https://x.com and press enter. This will take you directly to the Twitter homepage. Once you arrive, you will see the familiar layout of Twitter, featuring the timeline and your notifications. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for all the adjustments we will make in the settings. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access all the options available. Next, look at the left sidebar of the screen. You will see several options listed, including your profile, notifications, and messages. Here, you need to locate the More option. Click on More. This action will expand additional menu options for you. By selecting More, you unlock a variety of settings that help personalize your experience on the platform. This is an important step as it leads you closer to customizing your background color. From there, a new menu will appear. In this menu, find and select Settings and Privacy. When you click on this option, you will be directed to a new page filled with various settings related to your account. This is where you will manage everything from security to display options. Choosing this option is essential to ensure that you can make the necessary changes to your background color seamlessly. Now navigate to the section labeled Accessibility, Display, and Languages. You will find this on the left side of the settings page. Clicking on this will bring you to a new set of options specifically tailored to how you view and interact with Twitter. This step matters because it highlights the specific area where you can control visual elements, including your background color. It is important to take your time and ensure you are in the right section before proceeding. Once you are in the Accessibility, Display, and Languages section, look for the Display option. Click on this option to access various display settings. This is a key moment because it allows you to choose how your Twitter interface looks. You are now one step closer to personalizing your browsing experience. Selecting Display will open a menu where you can alter visual preferences, including the background color you desire. With the display settings open, look for the section labeled Background. Here you will see several options to choose from. You can select Default, which offers a light background, Lights Out, which provides a black background, or Dim, which gives a dark blue or gray appearance if available. Each option presents a different aesthetic and can enhance your viewing experience based on your preferences. This choice is significant because it impacts how your eyes feel during longer browsing sessions. After selecting your preferred background color, you will need to close the settings window to apply your changes. Simply click the X or Close button in the corner of the settings window. This action will save your new background color choice and return you to the Twitter interface. It is reassuring to know that your changes will take effect immediately, providing you with the customized backdrop you selected. Now you can enjoy your Twitter experience with your chosen background color. You've successfully personalized your viewing environment. This little customization can make a big difference in how you interact with the platform. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new Twitter background.